Welcome PLC programming channel. Today we will discuss the various examples of timer, how we use the timer in our program. Okay, so for that, first take an input, and this input will energize the timer, and the time set for timer is 5 seconds. Okay, this is 5 seconds. Note that in ladder diagram, the timer is only the output. The timer is only used in the coil, not in the form of contact. Okay, if you want to use this timer in contact, then you have to make first a timer, and then after execution, the timer will use in the coil like that. The T0 in the contact form, see T0, and then output Y0 will execute it. So now time to read and simulation. After simulation, we will start. Now press the X0 and the counting will start. See, the counting starts here. And after achieving the 5 second, the timer operates and give a output to Y0. That is, the motor will open or any other device which is connected. Another example of timer is a TOFF timer. The TOFF timer keeps the output after the completion of counting. Okay, see here the same is input, or we can change like X1, and how we will use the T0 timer as a TOFF timer. So for this, I have to take a normal kilo contact, and that is T0. Okay, and Y1 is the output. So you will see the T0 timer will operate after the completion of timer. Okay, and here the NC contact of T0 will operate when the X0 energizes T0. But when T0 completes the counting, the NC contacts will close and the NO contact will open. Okay, see, see the T0, the NC type contact will already on, and it will turns to off when the simple logic how to use a timer as a T on timer and T off timer in ladder.